Europe, and we are here at Skill Capital to recruit some of the interns, and we are looking forward to getting some people in digital marketing and product branding. It has been a long association with the ISBR. I think I came here 8 years back in one of the conferences or some function as a speaker. And since then, I have been a great admirer of the quality of students they have. And in fact, all the students I've found have got not only the theoretical knowledge but also the practical knowledge. And that's why that this is what keeps us bringing back to ISBR again and again. So looking forward to a great interaction with with the students, and yeah, in fact, if you have got some questions, I'll be glad to answer. Like if some of the people who would like to ask me question, I'm here to answer this queries. By the way, I'll just tell about my organization. We got established around 12 years back, and we were established in we established our company in Europe, in fact Denmark. Although it sounds like an Anexas Denmark, that was the original company name, but it was founded by all Indians, and we are a group of around 25 people spread across 6 countries at this point of time. And we have been consulting more than 100 organizations simultaneously at any given point of time. We've got more than 4,000, 5,000 clients, all big names, and most of our work is in Middle East, and all the big giants and big companies in Middle East are our clients. Primarily, we are into Lean Six Sigma, process excellence, project management, and recently we have ventured into AI, artificial intelligence. We also conduct training programs, Lean Six Sigma certification, Green Belt, Black Belt, a project management certification. We are an REP registered education provider of project management. We are also associated with IASSC, International Association for Six Sigma Certification, which certifies issues the global certification for Lean and Six Sigma trainings. And we have also we conduct regular programs in Bangalore as well and all over India. Plus, of course, most of our trainings, as I told you, are happening in Dubai, uh, Abu Dhabi, Riyadh, Jeddah, and Copenhagen. And yeah, we have participated in lots of conferences. Our American Society of Quality keeps inviting us again and again for almost all of their conferences, and we have participated for more than 4 to 5 conferences. And yeah, so this is what our company is. And I just recently came from Dubai, and I was very happy. I would say I was lucky to be here.
So my first question is, what these schools should do to equip the students for current industry jobs?
Okay, so current industry jobs, as we know that lots of things now are going to be done by robots. So we have to be very particular about the jobs of the future. So some of the things, some of the theoretical knowledge which we are going to talk about, and which we are going to, which you might be getting in your school, it might be something which automation can take care of. So what we need to learn is managing the machines, managing the I would say robots. Uh, Also, one of the things which I'm sure lots of companies would have told earlier also, because and nothing wrong in it, because when I was young, I also used to switch jobs often, and I wanted to, jump for a little bit higher salary, and I would just go to another organization. But this is one of the things. If we can really teach them the stability, is something which really industry looks for. So we understand that if we hire 10 people, some of them will stay with us, some of them will not be not staying with us. But the thing is, we'd like definitely this the proportion of people staying for a longer time. So if you can do something about it, like some some something you would like to uh, train them in how to remain stable. So that is one thing which industry looking for. Other part is the communication skills, managerial skills, of course, soft skills, and something which the people can be of immediate use to the organization rather than organization training them. Uh, so internship is a good platform where you can use this as getting trained and completing the first 2 or 3 months or 4 or 5 months of that getting accustomed to the environment of the industry. So that can happen in the internship. That's really good. So what we look forward is like a person should be ready to deliver from the day one, which obviously is a very high expectation. But yeah, if you ask me that what this is looking for, that's what we are looking for.
How internship is seen as a hiring tool by recruiters today.
Yeah, so I can tell you that four of our best people who are placed in Middle East right now, they were all hired as interns, and the next year we offered them job. And I can tell you they're earning so much of salary that they can't. All of their peers are not even earning, I'm sure, and primarily because it's location is abroad. Not only because of that, but also they could we can find them like who's the person who's the right fit for our organization. So this is a very good opportunity because we are not responsible towards them. Like after 2 or 3 months, when we recruit a person, and if we find that person is not suitable, it's very difficult to let him go. But with interns, we can see who's the right person, and if we find that this person is the right person for us, why not? So that is one good opportunity for us to hire the right people.
What are the key skills you are looking?
Okay, so key skills are first understanding our requirements, like getting into our mind as soon as possible. So, understanding our business, uh, understanding what we want. So, that is one thing. After that, having understood what we want, we would like them to, you know, after 1 week or so, they should get start delivering or say, go on the production mode. That's what we do.
How internship programs can be made more experiential from company's perspective as well as from students' perspective.
So, I can talk about ourselves. So, when we are hiring the interns, we will definitely train them in all the tools and techniques which we train others. We also offer them free trainings of green belt, black belt, project management, artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, data and big data and Hadoop. Whichever is running during this course of literature, definitely they can go for this training free of cost. But uh, coming to the question,
How it can be made more
yeah. So
experiential.
so one thing is that when we ask them to undergo the training, that is one thing they experience what exactly we do. Second thing is we treat them as a regular employee. So we don't differentiate between an intern and a staff. So the person is sitting next to the staff member, and he is assigned one role, and he is given responsibilities almost same as an employee, regular employee. So I think that they don't even feel that they are an intern. So that is one thing which that's what we have done.
So you are here to hire interns at ISBR. Today's day two at the state capital internship fair, and we welcome you here and we wish you that you get the best of the luck. And we'd like to share your experience here at the state capital. Yeah, can you share?
Yeah, so I would say that like first of all, I've heard a lot about the school, and I interacted with some of the students, and the communication skills were on at par with any other. In fact, it